Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video some secret codes with the Sony Xperia XZ1 and the Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact. So I have the compact version, but same thing with both phones. So what we need for the secret codes is the phone dialer. So, and let us start with the service mode. So it is star hash 7378 423 hash star. Okay, now we're on the service mode, so we have some informations and so on. You have the software and for the configuration and so on and so on. So the firmware information. So then you have some service settings. So like airplane mode, network mode, and you have here some service tests. And with this you can test the phone a bit. So maybe the touch ID. So for tab red. So now you have to hit all the places. Looks good. And go back with that. Okay, looks good. So you can do it also with other colors or make the draw tip grip test. So you have to make all the buttons here green, so yellow. So this is the draw test. So I have it, so I'm over the display, so I'm sorry if I don't hit really well. But I think I did it great. Okay, if you want to go, use that arrow, so slide it up, use that arrow to go back. Okay, free drawing also, I think is enough. You can test the speakers. Sounds right. Okay, then you can also test the speakers on the left and on the right as well. So here it seems everything okay. You can test the earphones, you can test the microphone, secondary phone up there, so the vibration. Powerful. Okay. Or whatever you want to use it for. Okay, so then the camera, and yeah, so the flash LED is working. GPS sensor, location test, the gyros, I cannot speak that word, sorry. The gyroscope, linear acceleration. So the sensors will tell you where you move the phone. So maybe for games, very important. Of other stuff, if you turn it like this and so on and so on. So okay, the proximity switch. So if you have it maybe on your head and you want to speak this, so then it works. So there are some sensors which want turn the display into black. Now it is working. Yeah, you have many things you can play with. Yeah, let's go back. Let's go back to the next code. So it's the testing. So the star hash 4636. Pardon. 36, then hash star. Okay, now we're in the testing mode. So you have for some phone informations, you can make updates and a 1 ping test passed. Okay, then you have some usage statistics. So in this statistic you have all the apps you have on your phone, and you see it when you have used it for the first time and for how long you have used it. Sometimes there are some dates like the April or January in 1970. It doesn't mean that the phone is so old, it just means that you have never used that app. Okay, let's go back and for some Wi-Fi information and so on and so on. And yeah. Okay, go to the next point is the Google Play services is star hash. So this Google thing 426 hash star. Okay, here you have some Google Play services you have the events and so on, the status. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and yeah, please take care. If you want with the secret codes, don't make any updates, or don't make some resets and so on, so it could destroy some data on your phone, but you can have a lot of fun with with the codes. And so test with your phone. It doesn't matter. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or give me a nice comment. It's always helpful for my videos. And thank you so much, and maybe until next time. Ciao.